Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
عيد مبارك تقبل الله منا ومنكم.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, taqabbal Allahu minna wa minkum. One of the Salaf, he said, Laysa al-Eidu liman labisa al-Jadid. Eid is not for the one that just wears new clothes. Eid is for the one that stays away from sins. So let's be steadfast. Let's continue praying our 5 daily prayers. Let's keep up with our obligations.
May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from us all of our deeds, our fasts, our qiyam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to continue with the ibadat after the month of Ramadan.
And allow us to show gratitude in a way that pleases Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala during the blessed day of Eid.
Our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam would begin his day by thanking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and before leaving his house he sallallahu alayhi wasallam would take some dates. And it is also from the sunnah of the Eid that you take a bath on the day of Eid, and then you put the best of your clothes on in order to express your gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then next thing is that you begin saying takbirat, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, walillahi alhamd. Then you leave the house and you go to the park or the masjid, wherever you are going to offer Salatul Eid. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of our good deeds, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to continue with the good work that we have done in the month of Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.